Hello students, today we will study about Windows operating system. Okay, so in your previous class we learned the first operating system, that is your Microsoft disk operating system, which was compatible with your IBM's personal home computer, and that is owned by your Microsoft. Okay, so today we will see that what is a Windows operating system, how it works. We will also learn that different version of your Windows operating system. Okay, so you know that Microsoft का जो founder है, that is your Bill Gates. Okay, so come to the point. Windows operating system, that is the part of your chapter 2. So Windows operating system, so the operating system window is the extension of your disk operating system, or fully we can say that that is your Microsoft disk operating system. So this was originally आपका जो Microsoft disk operating system was developed by your Microsoft for IBM, and this was the standard operating system for your IBM compatible personal computers. Okay. So see, this is the evolution of your Windows operating system. So यहाँ पे सिर्फ कुछ ही versions लिखा हुआ है. So in between that also there are various versions are there. जैसे कि मतलब ये some important Windows operating system है which creates some turning point in the evolution of your Windows operating system. Okay. So this is the Windows 1 operating system or Windows 10.1 और Windows 3.1 के बीच में और है जो है आपका Windows 2 and Windows 3. So first one is your Windows 1.01 and the second one is your Windows 2, third Windows 3, then Windows 3.1. Okay. We will see कि हर एक वर्जन में क्या क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट होते गया. Okay, so see here, so Windows 1.01 which was developed in 1985, Windows NT 3.1 that is 1993, Windows 95 that is 1995, 98 1998. वैसे कुछ उसका जो 9X का जो वर्जन था वो यहीं पे खत्म होता है, एंड विंडोज 2000, देन विंडोज मिलेनियम एंटरप्राइज एंड विंडोज एक्सपी 2001 and Windows XP Personal, which is of 64-bit, that is in 2005. Windows Vista 2007, Windows 7 in 2009, Windows 8 in 2012, Windows 10 in 2015. Then आपका आया that is Windows Server 2016, which is parallelly come across with your Windows 7, that is your 2000 Windows Server 2016. Okay. So this Windows Server 2016 is currently developed with your Windows 7, and this is the successor to the Windows Server 2012 R2. Okay. Next come to features. So before going to study about the features, that is the speed, compatibility, lower hardware requirements, search and organization, safety and security, interface and desktop taskbar or start menu, we will learn the different versions of operating systems and how आपका जो desktop आज जो देख रहे हो उससे कैसे वो अलग था. ओके, सो आप जैसे देखें कि डिस्क ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में आपका सिंपली एक ब्लैक स्क्रीन रहेगा जहाँ पे कि सम लाइंस रहेगा, दैट ब्लैक स्क्रीन हम लोग जो बोल रहे हैं दैट इज कमांड लाइन इंटरफेस, वेयर यू पुट your command according to your requirement and it will work as well. Okay, so here look, सो इसमें ये वाला जो है, दिस इज़ योर विंडोज़ वर्जन 1.01, दिस इज़ विंडोज़ 2 एंड दिस इज़ विंडोज़ 3.1, sorry, this Windows 3 and this is your Windows 3.1. सो ये जो आपका जो विंडोज़ वर्जन 1.01 जो आया, दैट इज़ इन योर 1985, दैट इज़ हम लोग बोलेंगे तो द ओरिजिनल विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम which was developed in your 1985. तो हम लोग बोलेंगे कि जो आपका ओरिजिनल विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम was developed in your 1985. सो ये आपका माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था टू डेवलप विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम और ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम with graphical user interface, okay, which is of 16-bit. So this was of your 16-bit and also the graphical user interface, and it was run on the top of your Microsoft disk operating system and which was relied on your command line interface. So यहाँ पे आपका जो माउस है वो आपका एकमात्र इनपुट डिवाइस था. सो जो भी आप वर्क करोगे, आप कुछ इनपुट दे रहे हो, सो दैट इज उसमें आप सिर्फ माउस का यूज़ करोगे. ओके, सो ये जो डिवाइस था आपका इनपुट डिवाइस माउस, उसको फैमिलियर करने के लिए उसमें क्या क्या था, सर्टन गेम्स सब रखा हुआ था, so that this odd input device can make these systems familiar with the user. So this Microsoft includes some games and some reverse means visible in the screenshot, as well as some other things which relied on this mouse rather than your keyboard, to get people used to moving the mouse around and clicking on screen elements. Okay, next come to your Windows 2. so ये आपका Windows 2 है. तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कुछ कुछ चीज़ें, जैसे मिनिमाइज करने के लिए है, मैक्सिमाइज करने के लिए है. सो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ ना, इट इंट्रोड्यूस the ability to minimizing or maximizing the windows instead of your iconizing or zooming the things. Okay, so ये जो आपका Windows 2 operating system आया, that was developed in 1987 in the month of December. So ये Windows 1.01 का आने के 2 साल बाद आपका this Windows 2 ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आया. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आपका आप देख सकते हो कंट्रोल पैनल इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है, वेर यू कैन मेक सम सेटिंग्स और कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑप्शंस भी है, उसको आप कलेक्ट करके आप अपना सिस्टम का सेटिंग कर सकते हो. ओके, एंड यहीं पे ही आपका माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड एंड एक्सेल ऑल्सो मेड देयर फर्स्ट अपीयरेंस running on this Windows 2. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट आपका आया यहाँ पे Windows 3 में. ओके, सो Windows 3 में भी आप देख सकते हो वही सारा चीज़, बट देर आर सम डिफरेंस बिटवीन योर Windows 1 and Windows 2. Okay, so the first Windows that required a hard drive launched in your 1990. एंड इन Windows 3 में क्या हुआ ना, इट वॉज द फर्स्ट वर्जन टू सी मोर वाइड स्प्रेड सक्सेस एंड बी कंसिडर्ड अ चैलेंजर टू योर एप्पल का जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम था एंड द Commodore Amiga graphical user interface coming pre-installed on computers from your PC compatible manufacturers including Zenith Data Systems. Okay, so the more important thing is that कि यहाँ पे आपका ये जो Windows 3 ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो आया, that was capable of or supported 256 colors, bringing a more modern or colorful look to the interface. Okay, and here this in Windows 3 operating system में क्या हुआ, here it introduced the ability to run the Microsoft Disk Operating System programs in Windows, which brought multitasking to legacy programs. Okay, then आपका आया Windows 3.1. So ये जो Windows 1 and आपका Windows 2 था, both had point release updates, but in Windows 3.1, which was released in year 1992, is notable because it introduced the true type font, making Windows a viable publishing platform for the first time. Okay, so यहीं पे आपका क्या हुआ ना, Minesweeper also made its first appearance here, and the next thing is that it required 1 MB of RAM to run and allowed supported Microsoft DOS program to be controlled with a mouse for the first time. Here also the first Windows to be distributed on a CD-ROM. Although once installed on a hard drive, it only took up 10 to 15 MB. Okay, which we can say that a CD can typically stores up to your 700 MB. Next आपका आता है Windows 95. So ये आपका है Windows 95, then Windows 98, Windows Millennium Edition, and ये आपका है ये आपका है Windows 2000. So see that as the name implies, Windows 95 arrived in August 1995, and with it brought the first ever start button and start menu, launched with a gigantic advertising campaign that used the Rolling Stones Start Me Up, and a couple of months later friend stars Jennifer Aniston and your Matthew Perry. So you can see that there is a start button here. Okay, स्टार्ट बटन, एंड यहीं पे आपके देख रहे हो इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर भी है, यहाँ पे भी देख रहे हो इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर है. ओके, यहाँ पे भी. सो यहाँ पे स्टार्ट मेनू में आप जैसे नॉर्मली देखते हो सर्टन थिंग्स, एसेसरीज, प्रोग्राम्स, डॉक्यूमेंट्स, सेटिंग्स, ये सारा चीज़ यहाँ पे रहता है, वो सारा चीज़ यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ. ओके, सो सी सो इन 1995 हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि जो आपका इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर है दैट वाज मेड इट्स डेब्यूट इन दिस ईयर, एंड बट हम लोग बोलेंगे कि दैट वाज नॉट इंस्टॉल्ड बाय डिफॉल्ट रिक्वायरिंग द विंडोज 95 प्लस pack. Later revision of Windows 95 included this Internet Explorer by default, and as Netscape Navigator and SCSA Mosaic were popular at that time. ओके, सो ये जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है वो उसमें और एक कॉन्सेप्ट इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ, दैट इज़ योर प्लग एंड प्ले. मतलब यू कैन पुट सम पेरिफेरल डिवाइस और कनेक्ट सम पेरिफेरल डिवाइस, एंड द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम फाइंड्स द appropriate drivers for it and makes it work. So that was the idea. It didn't always work in practice. और एक चीज़ हुआ कि हम लोग जो पहले देख रहे थे दैट इज़ ऑफ योर 16 बीट, तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टाइम इट इंट्रोड्यूस अ 32 बीट एनवायरनमेंट. So the taskbar and focused on multitasking. So MS-DOS still played an important role in case of your Windows 95, which required it to run some programs and elements also. Okay. Next आपका आया Windows 98, which was released in your 1998 in the month of June. So Windows 95 and brought with it Internet Explorer 4, आउटलुक एक्सप्रेस, विंडोज एड्रेस बुक, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट चैट एंड नेटशॉट प्लेयर विच वॉज रिप्लेस बाय योर विंडोज मीडिया प्लेयर जो रहता है विंडोज मीडिया प्लेयर 6.2 इन विंडोज 98. That's the second edition in 1999. Okay. And the other thing is that it introduced the back and forward navigation button and the address bar in the Windows Explorer. जैसे look here, address bar रहेगा in Windows Explorer में among the other things. So one of the biggest changes was the introduction of Windows driver model for the computer components and its accessories. One driver to support all the future version of your Windows. एंड यहाँ पे आपका USB सपोर्ट का कॉन्सेप्ट भी इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ दैट वाज मच इम्प्रूव्ड इन विंडोज 98 एंड लेड टू इट्स वाइड स्प्रेड अडॉप्शन इंक्लूडिंग योर USB हब्स एंड योर USB माइस. ओके, देन आपका आता है विंडोज मिलेनियम एडिशन. सो विंडोज मिलेनियम एडिशन जो है that is considered a low point in the Windows series by many, at least until they show the Windows Vista. Windows Millennium Edition was the last Windows to be based on MS-DOS and the last in the Windows 9X line. जैसे आपका 95 था, 98 था. So this was the last. So here what happens that this was released in your September 2000 and it was the consumer aimed operating system twinned with your Windows 2000 which was aimed the enterprise market and introduced some of the important concept to the consumers including more automated system recovery tools. In this Windows मिलेनियम एडिशन में हम लोग जो आपका विंडोज़ मूवी मेकर हो, विंडोज़ मीडिया प्लेयर 7 that was introduced. So Internet Explorer 5.5 also introduced at that time. So autocomplete also appeared in Windows Explorer, but the operating system was notorious for being buggy, failing to install properly and being generally poor. Next come to your Windows 2000 and that was released in the month of February 2000 and was based on Microsoft's business oriented system Windows network and later become the basis for Windows XP. Okay. So here what happens in 2000 में Microsoft's automatic updating played an important role in this Windows 2000 and became the first Windows to support hibernation. Then आपका आता है this is your Windows XP, then आपका आता है Windows Vista, then आपका आता है Windows 7. So आपका जो Windows XP that was released on October 2001 and this brought Microsoft's enterprise line and consumer line of operating system under the one roof. So in Windows XP में हम लोग देखेंगे कि Windows XP में क्या हुआ. The major changes which happens in your Windows XP that it was based on your Windows NT like your Windows 2000 but brought the consumer friendly element from your Windows ME. Okay. And the next thing is that कि यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो the start button is in green color. देखो यहाँ स्टार्ट बटन आप देख सकते हो that is in green color and the task bar जो है that is in blue color. Then is the wallpaper along with various shadow and other visual effects आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे. And another thing is that कि यहाँ पे क्या हुआ ना this clear type which was designed to make text easier to read on your liquid crystal diode screens was introduced as were built-in CD burning, autoplay from CDs and others media plus various automated update and recovery tools. The unlike Windows Millennium Edition actually work. So here other thing is that कि ये जो आपका Windows XP है that was the longest running Microsoft operating system seeing 3 major updates and support up until your April 2014, that is your 13 years from its original release date. So Windows XP was still used on an estimated 430 PCs when it was discontinued. So its biggest problem was security. Though it had a firewall built in, it was turned off by default. By default turn off हो जाता था. तो आपका PC में आज जो आता है that is your firewall built in होके आता है. So वो हमेशा work करते रहता है. So Windows XP's huge popularity turned out to be a boon for hackers and criminals also, so who exploited its flaws, especially in Internet Explorer, mercilessly, leading Bill Gates to initiate a trustworthy computing initiative and the subsequent issuance of 2 service pack updates that hardened XP against attack substantially. देन आपका विंडोज़ विस्ता आया जहाँ पे कि बहुत सारा चीज़ इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ, जैसे कि मैं बोल सकती हूँ विंडोज़ मीडिया प्लेयर दैट इज़ प्लेयर 11 एंड योर इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर 7 विथ सम फोटो गैलरीज एंड विंडोज़ डीवीडी मेकर्स, ये सारा चीज़ यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ. ओके, so this Windows Vista was developed in January 2007. So Vista updated the look and feel of Windows with more focus on transparent elements, search and security, and its development under the code name Loghorn. So each ये का कुछ code name है that was troubled with ambitious elements abundant in order to get it into production. Okay. Then आपका आता है Windows 7. So that you might have already you see that interface Windows 7 का maximum लोग आप देख चुके होंगे. This considered by many as what Windows Vista should have been. This Windows 7 was first released in the month of October, that is in 2009, and it was intended to fix all the problems and criticism which it was faced at the time by Vista, with slight tweaks to its appearance and a concentration on user-friendly features and less dialog box overloaded here. Okay, अगर मैं this consider करूँ that कि Windows 8 was the faster than the previous version of Windows, and it included support for the new much faster USB 3.0 devices and the Windows Store, which offers universal Windows apps that run in a full screen mode only, and that was introduced there. So programs could still be installed from third parties like other interactions of Windows, but they could only access the traditional desktop interface of Windows. Okay. Then आपका that was a very few time के लिए ये रहा, but उसके बाद some of the modifications और कुछ changes निकाले. So a free point release to Windows 8 introduced in October 2013, that is your Windows 8.1, marked a shift towards earlier software updates from your Microsoft and included the first step in Microsoft's U-turns around its new visual interface. As you see that इसका जो start menu है यहाँ पे है, और इसका जो start menu है आप simply जो Windows 7 में देखते थे, XP में देखते थे, so यहीं पे है, और that's the in the task bar आप ये सारा चीज़ देख सकते हो, यहीं से आप क्लिक कर सकते हो. ओके, एंड in Windows 8.1 reintroduced the start button, which brought up the start screen from the desktop view of Windows 8.1, and users could also choose to boot directly into the desktop of Windows 8.1. Okay, So that was very suitable. Then आपका Windows 10 so announced on 30th September 2014, Windows 10 has only been released as the test version for keen users to try it. So the technical preview is very much still a work in progress. But ये जो आप Windows 10 देख रहे हो, it will not be available until 2015, likely after Microsoft's Build Developer Conference in April. So for now, Windows 8.1 is the latest version of the Windows. Okay, so Windows 10, despite being the 9th version of Windows, it designed to unify all the Windows platforms across the multiple devices, including your Windows Phone and tablets, with universal apps that can be downloaded from the Windows Store and as well as run on all the Windows devices. Okay. And disadvantages of Microsoft Windows. That the biggest advantage of Windows is that it provides ready-made solution that can be implemented by just about anyone users ever used a computer. Just simply clicking on that things, we can use that things by using your devices, a PC or आपका laptop हो. Okay, so this made the system very user friendly. So अगर आप देखा जाए, most of the persons have their own laptop, on PCs. Okay, so this Microsoft Office is also 100% compatible with any file or document produced in the office space in America, and in fact Microsoft Office is not compatible with other software and systems so much as other software and systems strive to be compatible with Office. So finally, these software services are in large supply when it comes to Windows, from Microsoft's official services to Maryland support, software support to Microsoft certification training for individuals. So there is no lack of software support for your Windows. So the only other major disadvantage of your Microsoft Windows is that the using of Windows in the workplace is that over 95% of all the viruses and malicious software are written for the Windows OS. So this means that you have to double down all the security measures when you are using these operating systems, and if you are using the Microsoft software across the board. Okay.